What's popping, everyone? 𝑅𝐴𝑒𝑒𝑘𝐿 coming back at you with a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel, and for all you guys who are new, welcome. My name is 𝐸𝐿, and my mission is to help you guys build yourself financially and to build the empire of your life. As you might have seen from the title already, today we're going to talk about how that you can go ahead and make at least $3,000 a month, $100 each day in profits by doing dropshipping from Walmart to eBay. And you can do this literally anywhere in the whole world, so be sure to go ahead and watch the whole video so you'll be figuring out how that you can go ahead and make at least $100 profits each day. Go ahead and give it a like if you got some value out of the video, and hit the subscribe button for a lot more videos like this. But yeah, let's just jump straight into it. So inside of my computer right here, guys, on Walmart, and I have eBay open as well. Just did some research for you guys so I could show some, more fun examples of it. Of course, you can work with more, generic products like beds and stuff like that, which is great. You can also go ahead and work with, trending products that related to holidays, related to specific things going on. For example, if there's a heat wave during the summer, hey, sell air conditioners, right? It's all that psychological aspect, which is really, really great. One of the key things to do when you are dropshipping from Walmart to eBay is to go ahead and sell those items that Walmart has on sale, or what they call it, like drawbacks or whatever, because they don't really have sales, like they have top deals or something like that. But basically the products are discounted, right? So the way that you find these, one of the ways that you can find them is if you go ahead into one specific category, right? If we jump into like shop all home right here, right? So home furniture, appliances, blah blah blah, right? Then you'll be able to see all the top deals. And let's see, we should probably be able to open it, maybe. No. Okay, anyway, as you can see, we have the top deals right here. And what you want to then look for is, of course, some of the products that has a bigger drawback in price. And I took a look at this KitchenAid, which is really, really interesting. So I'll show you guys the difference in the price from eBay to Walmart, right? Right here we have normal price $229. Now you can buy it for $189, right? Really, a really popular product. Great product, right? Tons of reviews, and a great product and a great price, right? Good price reduction. I jumped into eBay, and I kid you not, KitchenAid on eBay sells it for $339 in the same color, Onyx Black, 4.5 quad tilt head thing right here, quad tilt head stand mixer. Not the exact same product, right? And here you can buy for $189 and sell it for $339, which is a huge markup. I'm not going to do the math right now, but anyway, you can go ahead and do that, right? So a huge markup, and you can go ahead and sell it for like $299 or something like that, and still make $111 profits without even doing a single thing, just taking the product from Walmart and posting it on eBay. Really fucking simple, right? I went in, so we can go ahead and look at some of the other examples. That was just one of the examples that I just, saw when I was browsing around. Another example could be, I had this one right here. So the Frigidaire Energy Star 50 pint dehumidifier, right? So I think it's like an air conditioned thing, not too sure. But I think, anyway, that doesn't really matter. Anyway, okay, so I jumped onto eBay, right, and tried to find the product. And we have it right here for $294 all day. As you can see, $294. Here's $189, right? $294, $381, $312. So a lot of, as you can see, they have ratings as well. So lots and lots of money to be made on that one as well, if you can go ahead and sell it, in the right market at the right time. Maybe like in southern part of Florida or something. I don't know how warm there is at the moment there, but I could imagine that maybe it will work great at like that. But yeah, basically, so what you want to do is you want to look for those top deals. You want to look for those, drawback in price or whatever. That is really some of the places where you can go ahead and get some very interesting prices for some of the products that you can then go ahead and resell, as we were talking about, right? So are these new? Free delivery, refurbished, refurbished right here, 170, right? $170, $160, and you can buy it for 124. So right there, as you can see, you'll be able to make like around 50 bucks on it, 40 bucks on it, right? And literally just by taking that product and posting it on eBay, super simple. You can go ahead and copy or lend some of the descriptions from Walmart as well, because a lot of the eBay sellers do that anyway. Not that I recommend for you guys to do it. You can of course make a very fancy product descriptions yourself, but otherwise that's basically just how it works. You jump into Walmart, you browse around, find those great products that you think is super interesting and could work really well on eBay. You just jump into eBay, make a listing for it, and wait for it to sell. You can of course also go ahead and really accelerate this with Facebook ads in the right way. If you want to learn more about Facebook ads, or if you have troubles with your Facebook ads, go ahead and check out my Master Marketing Academy. There's a link in the description where you could get 14 days free access. But yeah, moving on, as you can see right here, that's basically just how it goes for that. Maybe if we can jump into toys, old toys, maybe we can find some specific good deals on that. Let's see, best deals. Do they have that? Best deals? Best deals, they don't. Okay, let's see. Let's see, shop by category, shop by gender, just if we're gonna say boys, and then 12 plus, and then oops, that was a mistake, and then we can say, as you can see, this is a rollback, right? So this is one of the lovely badges that you want to look for, the rollback or clearance badges. That is definitely some of the products that is super interesting. This one is actually super cheap, it's like half the price. Bachmann Trains Jingle Bell Express. Let's see if that's actually an interesting thing on eBay. If it sells, what is like 109 for new? There you go, $136, 10 product ratings as well. So you'll be able to go ahead and make just 20 bucks really easy like that, just off of this, right? I don't even, oh, it's brand new. Yeah, it's brand new. So as you can see, 130, 135, 160, 140. So still money to be made on that product as well. So as you can see, it's basically just to jump in and look for those rollback, which is where it gets super interesting for some of those products, right? Of course, some of the products are not the best. Some of the products are better than other. But what you of course just want to look for is definitely the rollback items, because those are sort of like where you can go ahead and save something. The reduced prices are great as well, because then you know that you'll be saving something in general. But as you can see, the other ones, that was actually a discount, but sometimes they just, you know, call it special buy, or they have some, to be honest, they have some weird ways of trying to tell you that they have a sale going on for it. I don't really know, but of course I don't live in the States, so how would I know? But anyway, just trying to look up for this bet at the same time while I'm talking, trying to do that. Let's see, how much was it? 125 for the queen. Alright, okay, that's sold out of stock. 125 for that one, and it sells for 145 right there. 150 all day. 150 all day, just like that. You can go on and make money like that really easy, right? So, and then people's gonna ask, how about shipping? You just charge shipping if it costs shipping from Walmart. So as you can see, it's super easy. It's basically just to walk through the different products, find those great items that actually has a lot higher profit margins than some of the other ones, list them on eBay for free, and then just see when the listing goes ahead and get sold, right? So I hope you guys got some useful information out of this video. Please go ahead and give it a like if you did. Hit the subscribe button to watch a lot more videos like this one, how you can go ahead and make money as a beginner with absolutely no skills. Go ahead and check out my Master Marketing Academy if you're into Facebook ads, dropshipping, and e-commerce. I hope to see you guys in the next video, and I hope you guys will have an awesome and successful day. Bye.